Welcome back to my channel Math Brain. Today we have a very tricky challenge. We have 5 plus 23 times 5. As you can see, everyone make this common mistake. So right now I want you to pause the video and try to solve it by yourself. Choose one option. What do you think? What is the correct answer to this challenge? Option A 140, option B 130, or option C 5 factorial. What do you think? What is your opinion is the correct answer to this challenge? And in the end of the video we will check our answers. It will be really interesting, I promise you. First of all, I want to start with this first interpretation, right? Here's our challenge today. We have 5 plus 23 times 5. Here's our challenge today. A lot of students solve these challenges like that. They say, okay, in a strict order from left to right, 5 plus 23, which is equal to 28, right? 28 times 5, which is equal to 140. They say, okay, 140, option A, this is the correct answer to this challenge, and they go to the next challenge. But in terms of maths, we should know what is the correct order. We can solve our challenges like that. We can do whatever we want. Let's look at this PEMDAS order of operation. This is the most popular order of operation in the world. All internet libraries, scientific, graphic calculator works according to PEMDAS order of operation. And how does PEMDAS works? As you can see, PEMDAS works from the top to the bottom. It means that higher position, higher priority. And as you can see, parenthesis has the higher position, parenthesis has the higher priority. Next exponents is like 5 square, 5 cube. Next multiplication, division group. Last step is addition and subtraction group. So right now let's solve our challenge according to PEMDAS order of operation. Here's our challenge today. We have 5 plus 23 times 5. Here is our challenge. Let's scan what elements do we have. As you can see, we have addition sign, we have multiplication sign. Where do we have the signs? As multiplication we have right here, and addition sign we have right here. We don't have any parentheses, we don't have any exponents, so we just skip the spot. We don't have any division, we don't have any subtraction signs, so we just skip the spot. And what we should add first? We should add or we should multiply. As you can see, multiplication has the higher position than addition. Multiplication has the higher priority. It means that our first step should be multiplication, right? We should multiply 23 times 5. What do we have? We have 5 plus 115, right? 115. And our second step we should add. This is our second step. 5 plus 115, which is equal to 120, right? But as you can see, we don't have this option, right? Option A 140, option B 130. But let's look at this option 5 factorial, option C. What does it mean? 5 factorial, right? We should multiply 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 and times 5. But if we multiply all this stuff, in the end we have 120, right? It looks like 4 factorial, option C, right? A lot of students all the time argue with each other about that, because one part of students say that option A is the correct answer, another part of students say that option C is the correct answer. So let's look at our first interpretation. We solve these challenges absolutely randomly, which is really bad mistake in terms of math. We can solve our challenges like that. This is a wrong answer, wrong solution. With brackets right here, if we have brackets, this is 100% the correct answer, because first we evaluate the expression inside parentheses. Inside parentheses we have 5 plus 23, which is equal to 28. 28 times 5, which is equal to 140. So with brackets, this is 100% the correct answer. But in our case, we don't have any brackets, so this is wrong solution and wrong answer. Let's look at our second interpretation. We solve this challenge according to PEMDAS order of operation. First, we multiply, right? Because multiplication, as you can see, has the higher position than addition. Multiplication has the higher priority. 23 times 5, which is equal to 115, right? 5 plus 115, which is equal to 120, right? This is 100% 5 factorial. This is the correct answer to this challenge, correct approach, correct solution. So guys, I hope your answer is the same as mine, and I hope you'll learn something new. But definitely don't feel bad if you got this wrong. I have a ton of videos on my YouTube channel, so thank you for your time. Have a great day guys, and see you in the next videos.